More than 6 months after speculation first surfaced, it has now been confirmed that the Egyptian giants Al Ahly had serious interest in acquiring Orlando Pirates winger Monapule Saleng. Saleng has not made an appearance for the Buccaneers since December 7, when they played host to Al Ahly in a CAF Champions League clash at Orlando Stadium. The encounter ended in a goalless stalemate, but it now appears the match had deeper implications behind the scenes. Throughout the second half of the season, Saleng's prolonged absence raised eyebrows among fans and pundits alike. With no confirmed injury and his undeniable talent as one of the top wingers in the country, the silence surrounding his exclusion was deafening. Rumors swirled around a potential salary dispute and a failed overseas transfer, claims that were never publicly addressed by the club. Now former Al Ahly scout and Egyptian football icon Hani Ramsey has lifted the lid on the North African club's long-standing admiration for Saleng and said there are names I think Al Ahly should sign. A player in South Africa similar to Percy Tau in his style of play, but faster and with great skills. His name is Saleng. He plays for Orlando Pirates. Ramsey revealed during an episode of Cora Talks podcast and said this nomination was made a season and a half ago. We thought he was an excellent player, and Marcel Koller followed him and expressed his admiration, but no decision was made regarding him either. The deal was not completed. Despite the stalled move, Saleng remains very much in the spotlight. He was selected for national duty with Bafana Bafana in the African Nations Championship CHAN qualifier held in Bloemfontein the past March. By all accounts, he delivered a standard performance, reminding fans of his undeniable quality. Interestingly, while the Al Ahly move failed to materialize, fresh speculation has emerged linking Saleng to another potential destination, Amakosi. Though rumors remain unverified, they have already sparked debate among local supporters eager to see the winger back in action. As the transfer window heats up, the future of Manopelo Saleng remains one of the most intriguing storylines in South African football. Whether he stays, crosses the Soweto divide, or finally makes the leap to North Africa, one thing is certain, Saleng's next move will be watched with keen interest. Meanwhile, the newly appointed Al Ahly head coach José Rivero has reportedly clashed with the club's sporting director Mohamed Yusuf just days after overseeing his first training session. The Spaniard made a sensational move from Betway Premiership giants Orlando Pirates to Egyptian Premier League powerhouse. Rivero enjoyed a successful tenure with the Buccaneers, securing 5 trophies, namely 3 MTN 8 titles and 2 Nedbank Cup titles, which cemented his reputation as a respected and capable tactician. However, tensions have reportedly surfaced with the club. According to El Watan News, tension developed between Rivero and Yusuf after the latter allegedly discussed technical matters directly with players without the coach's knowledge. The report further claims that Rivero has requested Yusuf refrain from attending technical meetings and emphasized the importance of maintaining clear lines of communication, particularly when it comes to tactical instructions for the players. Rivero is currently preparing Al Ahly for the highly anticipated 2025 FIFA Club World Cup in the United States, where they are set to face Lionel Messi's Inter Miami, Brazilian outfit Palmeiras, and Portuguese giants FC Porto. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.